1 year ago, I stood on this very stage with a sash that said Quezon, representing my beloved home, carrying only hope, courage, and a burning torch in my heart. I had no idea what the future held, but destiny had already chosen me. Becoming Mutyan ng Palawan opened many doors and opportunities for me. Things I never thought nor imagined I could experience. It showed me that I can be more than I ever thought I could be. But all of this would not have been possible without the help of the people around me. To my family, from Quezon to Palawan, to my friends, classmates, and instructors, maraming salamat po. To my team, Elitista Circle of Models, to all the official makeup artists of Mutyan ng Palawan, to my beloved municipality, my home, and all its officials, Quezon. And lastly, to the provincial government, maraming salamat po. This journey has taught me so much, and as much as I wish my way would not end here, I know that everything has its conclusion. Thank you so much, Palawan, for allowing me to experience this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity in the beauty that our province has to offer. This has been a very meaningful reign for me. To the next Mutyan ng Palawan, treasure every moment of your reign and be the purposeful and meaningful queen that you are. As my reign ends tonight, I hope I was able to inspire people with my story. I am Jerlyn Amatos Gregas, your Mutyan ng Palawan 2024.